Sanjay Singh is released on bail.
The Supreme Court granted bail to AAP leader Sanjay Singh in the Delhi excise policy case on Tuesday as the Enforcement Directorate chose not to contest the bail plea. Confirming no objection to Sanjay Singh's bail, the ED marked a significant development in the case.
I have no objection in case the appellant say over it before that we granted. Sanjay Singh is released on bail during pendency of the proceedings.
Sanjay Singh thus becomes the first senior AAP leader to secure regular bail in the money laundering case linked to the defunct liquor policy. Notably, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, former Deputy Manish Sisodia and former Health Minister Satyinder Jain remain in judicial custody in connection with the same case. Delivering the order, a three-judge bench comprising Justices Sanjeev Khanna, Dipankar Datta and P.B. Varale emphasized that any concessions by the probe agency should not serve as precedent. Additionally, the court instructed Sanjay Singh, who spent 6 months in jail, to refrain from commenting on the case while on bail. Responding to the Supreme Court's decision, senior AAP leader Atishi expressed solidarity through a Satya Mev Jayate post on social media. During the hearing, the bench informed Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, representing the ED, that no money had been recovered from Singh, questioning the credibility of the allegation that he received a 2 crore bribe, which would be scrutinized during the trial. Sanjay Singh was arrested on October 4, 2023 in connection with the Delhi excise policy case, marking the third AAP leader's arrest in the matter after Manish Sisodia and party communications in charge Vijay Nair. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal remains in Tihar jail following his arrest by the ED on March 21 until judicial custody extends to April 15. Opposing the bail plea in the High Court, the probe agency asserted Singh's involvement in various aspects of the alleged Delhi liquor scam arising from irregularities during the now defunct Delhi Excise Policy 2021-22. The ED's money laundering case is rooted in the Central Bureau of Investigation FIR, highlighting discrepancies in the modification of the policy and undue favors granted to license holders.